Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, this is Ritu.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Okay, children, listen. Now, what we are going to do today is we have, all of you know the syllabus for your English creative writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is the syllabus? Tell me. What all things are coming in it?
Ma'am, it is
Informal letter.
yes, ma'am. Informal letter, short story, picture description, and unseen passage.
Unseen passage. So what we are going to do today is we are going to do an unseen passage. Have I made you do any unseen passage so far?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am. Ma'am, too. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, which are those two unseen passages? Tell me the topic. Tell me the title, sorry.
Ma'am, one picnic. Picnic day. And ma'am, one tree. No, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to share a story with you today. You have to do that, okay? Let me just share. I'm going to share a screen with you. You all will read that story very properly and then you're going to do it. Fine, I will share it also on your class group. Don't worry. Okay, so here it comes. You don't have to write this story in your copy. Is that fine?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, one unseen passage was about trees and one unseen passage was about Molu and Golu.
Okay, beta. Okay. Now see, the one that we are going to do today is about Florence Nightingale. It is about Florence Nightingale. Now see, what you will do is, because we are practicing it, so you will use your dictionaries to see the meaning of any difficult word that you come across. Just open your dictionaries, and if you don't have a dictionary, you will find out the meaning on Google.
So, ma'am, we have
I have, but ma'am, I don't know where it kept.
You can use Google then.
Ma'am, we have to write it rough or fair.
You don't have to write. Be quiet, everyone. You don't have to write this story anywhere. What you will do?
No, ma'am. Answers.
Yes, answers you have to write in your rough copy.
Ma'am, where?
Beta, English creative writing. No rough copies. Directly in your English creative writing copies. And what you will write as the heading, unseen passage. Then you will write difficult words with their meanings. You will find out the meanings on your own and you will do it. Is that clear now to everyone?
So, ma'am, we have to write questions also.
You have to write questions like you have to write these sentences, the exercises and all you have to write.
Okay, ma'am.
Now please scroll up. Then please scroll up. Ma'am, what is the meaning of appropriate?
Appropriate means like the most correct. Write the most appropriate options, the most correct options.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
So what we are doing?
Beta, see, I have shared a screen with you. You are doing unseen passage. You have to read this passage. Then you have to write down all the difficult words. You have to write their meanings. And then later you're going to solve the questions that are given below it. I have shared the page on your class group also, children.
Ma'am, why there are 1, 2, 3 letters? Ma'am, can I off my camera?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, we have to write the passage or not?
No, you don't have to write the passage. You only have to just read it out. Like you will read it on your own. If you're not able to understand, read it once, read it twice, read it thrice. And still, if you're unable to understand any line, then you can ask me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
and we have to find the difficult words on our own.
Yes, on your own. Because you're practicing,
And-
so you will do this work on your own.
And ma'am, write it.
Yes, you have to write the meaning.
We have to write the meaning on our own.
यस बेटा, आपको डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स के मीनिंग्स ढूंढने हैं और खुद लिखने हैं, खुद ढूंढने हैं डिक्शनरी में. And those who do not have dictionary will find it on Google.
Ma'am, we will do the B exercise also.
Yes, you have to do all the exercises.
On the second, collecting a team of 30 nurses, Florians went to. So, ma'am, after that, it is written, she collected 38 nurses and started for Scutari.
Yes. Scuttery is a place where
Okay,
she
ma'am.
went with the nurses.
Ma'am, in passage, what is first word written?
Beta, in the passage, the first word is Florence. Florence Nightingale. It is a name. It's a name of a person. Florence Nightingale.
Ma'am, what is written over here for it?
Florence Nightingale. It is a name of a person.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम मैंने आपके ग्रुप पर सेंड कर दिया है.
क्या चीज?
पर्सनल उस पे. मैम आपके पर्सनल नंबर पर मैंने टेक्स्ट सेंड कर दिया है.
बेटा, ओके फाइन.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of appropriate in the first question? In the first
The appropriate
heading?
means the most correct, the correct word from the like you have to write or choose the most correct option.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Can you tell me again what we have to do? Because, ma'am, I have some work.
Beta, see, you can read the story that is written.
Okay, ma'am.
This is a passage that has been given to you. Now you have to read this passage and you have to answer the questions given below. In case you don't find the meaning of any word in the passage, what you will do is you will find it yourself.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, we have to only write the answers in the write the most up.
Yes, yes. You have to write just the question, only the question answers that are given to you. Okay, you don't have to write this whole passage. What you will write from the passage is just the difficult words and their meanings. That's it. Like suppose there's a word given here. Where's the word? The word is horrible.
Ma'am,
Now you don't know the meaning of horrible. Just write down horrible and write its meaning in front of it.
okay, ma'am.
Children, are you being able to do it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am, it's easy.
Good. What about others? Only Shirish
Yes,
is
ma'am.
saying it's easy.
Yes, ma'am, it is easy. Yes, ma'am, it is easy.
Okay, beta. Very nice. Do it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we write that also. Write the most operated options, fill in the blanks in several words.
Just write exercise A. Fill the blanks. Just make it fill in the blanks.
Ma'am, I'm not able to do fill in the blanks B1.
Okay, fill in the blank B1. Florence Nightingale was dashed by the Queen for her efforts to You will find this word in the third paragraph, beta. You will find this word in the third paragraph, fourth line.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am. And when I'm searching in Google Flores Nightingale, it is showing a name.
What is showing? Which meaning?
Ma'am, name. It is a name.
Yes, it's a name of a person, Florence Nightingale.
Ma'am, you have to write name.
No. Why will you write the name?
No, ma'am. We have to write the meaning name
No,
of a person.
no, don't write it. Just leave Florence Nightingale. Now that you know it is a name of a person, just leave it. Write down the meaning of difficult words like horrible, like let's say exhausted, eagerly. These are difficult words. Don't write the name of that person.
Ma'am, we can write the meaning of grand reception also.
What?
Ma'am, there is she never liked crowds and grand
Receptions.
reception. So, ma'am, I have written the crowd, but ma'am, what is grand reception?
Grand reception means beta big celebrations. Reception is like where a lot of people gather to celebrate something.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am not able to answer the fill in the blanks last one.
You're not able to understand what?
I'm the fill in the blanks last one.
Last one. Because she was very, now see, the word is not given here in this passage. Now, what kind of a person you think she was? Florence Nightingale, what kind of a person she was?
Ma'am,
You can write any good adjective that you feel she was this kind of a person on your own.
okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, she is good type of person. Ma'am,
Yes, but good in
After
what
this-
sense? Good in what sense? Was she a caring person, kind, sympathetic, helping, or loving? What kind of a person? How good she was? Intelligent? What do you think out of all these adjectives would fit the best for Florence Nightingale?
ma'am,
Yes.
after reception, it is written although she was, and after she was, what is written?
Although she was exhausted after the war. Now you have to find out the meaning of exhausted.
Ma'am, what is written ES after profession of nurses in the
Okay, wait.
fourth line.
Wait. She established a school for nursing. Now, what is the meaning of established? Just find it out.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in the Google, it was saying honored means proud. Yes, ma'am,
Honored
proud.
means honored. बेटा honored का मतलब होता है सम्मानित करना किसी को. To give honor to someone. Now, how do I explain you? Wait, let me see.
Ma'am, can you tell the adjectives again?
What? Tell the adjectives again. Okay. Good, kind, loving, caring, helping, intelligent,
Okay, ma'am.
charming.
Ma'am, I will write caring.
Very nice. Very good. That goes the best. And honored means to give respect or regarded with respect.
Ma'am, I write the fill in the blank. So can I send?
No, beta, the last exercise is still left now. Find the words or phrases from the passage which mean the same as following. Try to find these two words also. And then you don't have to send. We will discuss the answers.
Ma'am, there will be no time to discuss.
Yes, beta, but we'll discuss it tomorrow morning. Tomorrow when we have our class in the morning, we'll discuss it then.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done all the exercises.
What, Shirsh?
Ma'am, I have done all the exercises.
Very nice, very good.
The Google, ma'am, I cannot find the meaning of eagerly.
Beta, find it out in dictionary. What is the meaning of eagerly?
No, ma'am, I don't have dictionary in Google. It is not showing.
Eager means to be desperate for something, to want something desperately.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.